Hey guys, it's your girl Estä, and as promised, this is part 4. Hi guys, it's Side Note Estä here. Oh my gosh, guys, thank you for subscribing. I have over 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. And like I promised, yes, I am doing a giveaway, and it's easy steps, I promise you. I'm not going to send you on a manhunt, I promise. So step number 1 is follow me on my Instagram. 2, follow me on my Snapchat. Number 3, have to follow North's hair care page. Last but not least, in this video, in the comments, you will have to post a ghost emoji and a camera emoji, and I will pick 3 winners. And those 3 winners will be announced on my North's hair care page story in 5 days. So if you are not subscribed, I suggest you go ahead and do so. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You have no idea. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.